everyone, I'm back with another Traveller's Notebook, and it's another traditional Christmas themed one, so I'll name this at number 2. It's a cardstock cover. I've used different papers from the one that I'd done previously. We have a different image on the front and it's all been sewn. I've named it Merry and Bright. I've got some bling here. There is bead dangle. There's bead dangles on the pages. There's crocheted trim, pom-pom trim. That's the cardstock, which has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock. So let's go inside. Got this little bead dangle here as well. Okay, so that's the coffee dyed cardstock that's been sewn onto the designer cardstock, and the kit that I used for this, for the main pages, is the Christmas Cardinal by Artie Mays, and I will link that below. So I've used some of the background papers for that kit to make some pockets, and I've used some images that I found on Pinterest, and some of them I did purchase. I can't remember which ones are which now because I've printed out loads, because I plan on making quite a few of these Christmas themed Traveller's Notebooks. So there's that one. There is a tag here, or ticket, sorry, that's from Artie Mays. There's a large tag for journaling on. There is a dictionary page here. There's just a tag that's been stenciled here. This is an envelope, and inside the envelope there is a double journaling card, like so. And that just pops on there. The crocheted trim with the bead dangle, some square paper, some more pages from Artie Mays. The pockets here are from Artie Mays. The images, I think, is from Tsunami Rose, and I love the snowballs all piled up, ready to be launched. There is a doily and a paper bag, some edge punching, lots of journaling room, another pocket here with some tags and a little double mason jar. Here we go. Dictionary page, some I'm losing my voice, hope I'm not getting ill, some ledge paper, and we have a tag there, just paper clipped on, little envelope, the journaling card inside. Another little corner tuck here with a tag, well, 2 tags and a journaling card. Pom-pom trim here with a bead dangle. Centre of the signature. Another pocket here. Some tags and a journaling card. I think that was the image I used on the first one that I done. A little envelope here. Journaling card inside. And this is a flip out. Another tuck spot, journaling card, a tag and a ticket, paper bag pocket, a doily, another pocket here, a ticket, a tag and a journaling card. And this one again will be listed in my shop, and the links will be below. Yeah, it doesn't want to go in. There we go. Some more crocheted trim with the bead dangle. Another envelope with the journaling card, another flip out, and that just paper clips on. Somehow doesn't want to play. We have a double pocket here with a large tag in there, a little corner one here, journaling card and a double mason jar. And that is the journal. There's 72 pages in this one, front and back. So like I said, the links will be below if you're interested. I'll also list Artie Maze's website if you want to go and check that out. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.